Hello everybody and welcome back to part 3 of creating an e-commerce site from scratch using React. My name is Akshat and this is my YouTube channel where I upload videos about programming and I explain it in a very simple manner. So let's get started. So I'm just going to show my screen right here, and what we want to do is I'll just change things up a little bit. So first of all, the header, I'm just going to close all the files right here. So the header, we don't actually want this to be, where is it, the home.js, home, right here. We don't want the header to be rendered here. Instead, inside of, let's see here, app.js, we don't want that. So inside of the app.js right here, what we want to do is here to be right here. So we will render out the header right over here. So let's just say header. There we go. And all of that's just going to be the same. So, oops, we need to import this. So we'll auto import, and let's see, it did not actually import that. Okay, let's do that again. Not this. There we go, this one. Do that, save it, and even inside of home, save this. Okay, and then let's come back here. And now if we refresh, it'll just take a while to load, and we can actually just get rid of that. Let's just wait for this. Okay, I just want to change the styling up a little bit right here, but first let this thing load. And as you can see, it's just loaded up, and now we have the header right over here. Okay, cool. So now we can just save that, and inside of, where is it, header.css, let's come in here, and where's the input? Do we even style it? Yeah, here. So we want here just say outline, outline none, like so. Save that, come back here. Now before we did that, so let me just comment this out right here, there was this like black outline right over here. We don't really want that, so we'll just do outline none. And there you go, the outline is gone. So that's what we want. Now let's log in or sign in. And let's just wait for this, and there you go. So now we're going to be creating the actual home page. So let's come in here, and first what we want is, let's just see where this is. So let's do h1 home. So let's wait for this, and let's see, it's already compiled. So if we just come into app.js, comment the header out, and then come back here, let's see, the header should go away. Actually, we want the header to be there, so let's uncomment that, and now the header should come back. So for some reason slow. There you go, so the header is back, and then the home component is right there. So that's exactly what we want. Now we'll come back to the home component and we will start building it. So now what we're going to do is come back here, and we'll create an image with the class name of home __ image, like so. The source will be this right here. I just got that from Amazon. So inside of the alt, what we will do is just say like banner or something like that, and there we go. Now save that, and we should be seeing an image. So let's wait for it to load up, and then we should see an image. So there you go. So this is the image, and that's what we want. And also we're just going to paste in the CSS right now. It's not actually a lot of CSS, So we'll just paste that in, and there you go. Okay, so after that, what we want is going to be, I'm just going to paste this in, is just a bunch of products. So here, as you can see, I've just pasted that in, and it's just a product component and just a bunch of Harry Potter books. So that's what we want. And after that, we obviously need to create the product component. So that's going to be a component. So we'll just create a new folder, call it product, and then inside of there, let's do product.js, and then let's do product.css. Product.css. There you go. Now, first, we'll just put in the CSS, and also let's just save this, and it should just throw out errors. So let's just do _refce just for making the errors gone. H1 product class name. Oh no, I'm clicking backspace on accident. Is equal to product import ./product.css. There you go. And now let's import product right here. So control spacebar and loading. So let's wait for that auto import from product. So that's what we want. Okay, now all of these errors should go away. So when that loads up, we'll look at that, and now we'll build that actual product component. So first off, we'll start with the CSS. So right here, paste it in, come back here, and now we're going to do the actual component. So now we're going to come back here, and we just want to paste this in. So this product will take, or this component will take a couple of properties or props. So these are things that we can pass in from where we are actually rendering the component. So for example, we need the ID, the title, the price, the image, the rating, all of that stuff. Okay, so here, what we're going to do inside of the product is just go ahead and create a div called with the class name of product __info, and inside of that we'll have 2 p tags. There you go. Inside of this first p tag we will have a rupee sign or $sign or whatever you want. So wait a minute. There you go. So the way I do that is just shift, control, and 4 where the actual $sign is. So that just makes it a rupee sign. There you go. And now in here, we actually, this should be title, not the rupee sign. So sorry for that. So title, there you go. And this p tag, it should have a class name of product __ price, like so. And inside of that we'll have a small tag and then a strong tag. There you go. And then paste the rupee sign in, and then here we want the price, and then I'm just going to paste in the rest of the stuff. So this is what we have after that. Okay, I messed it up. So product info, that's that. So let's just try that again. Okay, so what is wrong here? Okay, let's just do div. Oh, actually, okay. So this we can get rid of, and then here what we want is this right here, and then outside of that we want this. So there you go. That's what we want. Alt is equal to, let's just say product image, and then let's just get rid of this. Okay, so let's just do that, and now we should, if we refresh this, we should have no errors. So let's just try it, refresh, And there you go, we have no errors. And now let's just click sign in with Google, and then that should be working. So let this just sign me in, and then there you go. So now you've got a bunch of products. That's exactly what we want. And now inside of index.css, we just want to add this in, background color of that. There you go. And now after that just renders right here. I saved it, right? Why is it not changing? Oh, okay, so I actually did it on the wrong file, so I did it on this project. I will get rid of that after I finish recording this. But so I did it on the index.css on this other project. So what we're gonna do is right here, body, background color, this color right here. And there you go. So the color has changed, and that's what we want. So now with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. So in this video we created the home component. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.